Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today's topic is tense. Today I am going to introduce simple present tense. There are three main verb tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. These main tenses are divided into four parts: simple, progressive, perfect, perfect progressive. Definition of simple present tense: we use the simple present tense when an action happens regularly. In simple present tense, we use verb to tell about things that happen regularly in present time, like every day, every week, or every month. For example, I brush my teeth every day. I clean my house regularly. In the structure or formula of simple present tense is subject plus main verb plus object. Follow this table. It will be easy to learn simple present tense. Verb walk. I walk, we walk, you walk, they walk, he walks, she walks, it walks. When we use he, she, it, we add s to the verb. When we use I, we, you, they, we do not add s to the verb. So it is easy to remember that when we use he, she, it, we add s to the verb. Through this table, you have understand that when the subject is singular, we add s to the verb in simple present tense. Person, subject, verb. First column person, first person, subject I singular, verb sleep. We do not add s to the verb when we use I as a subject. I singular because I refer about myself. So we do not add s to the verb. We first person plural, more than one, many. So we do not add s to the verb. Second person you singular means you are talking about yourself or you are talking about each other. So we do not add s to the verb when you singular, you plural, more than one, many. So we do not add s to the verb. Third person they plural, more than one. So we do not add s to the verb. Third person he, she, it singular. We add s to the verb because he, she, it third person singular. So when we use subject as a he, she, it, we add s to the verb. So he sleeps, she sleeps, it sleeps. See the following examples. We play in the park every day. We plural, first person, we plural, first person. So we do not add s to the verb. The birds fly in the sky. Fly. We do not add s to the verb because more than one bird. There are many birds in the picture, so we do not add s to the verb. You read book every day means you singular or plural. You are talking about yourself. So you second person. We do not add s to the verb. I go to school every day. I refer about me. I am talking about myself. So I subject singular. We do not add s to the verb. Rahul likes an ice cream. Are you Rahul? No. Am I Rahul? No. Rahul is a third person who likes an ice cream. So we added s to the verb. So Rahul singular subject he. So we add here s to the verb. Sona completes homework on time. Are you Sona? No. I am Sona? No. We are talking about third person whose name is Sona. So we add s to the verb. So because Sona is third person, singular subject she. So we added s to the verb. The cow enters the farm. The cow third party. So we add s to the verb. The cow, singular subject. Exercise. I dash at home. I dash at home. I singular subject. I refer about myself. So here what is the answer? Work. She dash with her parents. She lives with her parents because she third person. Singular subject. Aarti and her brother dash the temple regularly. Aarti and her brother, more than one person. So we do not add s to the verb. So what is the answer? Visit. Ketan dash to the office every day. Are you Ketan? No. Am I Ketan? No. We are talking about third person whose name is Ketan. So we add s to the verb. So what is the answer? The answer is goes. A crow dash nest in trees. What is the answer? Crow, it, singular subject. So what we do? We add s to the verb. So what is the answer? Builds. Cows, more than one. So we do not add s to the verb. So what is the answer? Cows give milk. You dash very well. You, singular subject, second person. So we do not add s to the verb. So what is the answer? Sing. We dash late on Sunday. We wake up late on Sunday. We plural, more than one person. Thank you. Hope you understand simple present tense. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until then, take care.